If you will please place your left hand on the Bible and raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I, George Washington, do solemnly swear.
I, George Washington, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States.
Faithfully execute of the United States.
And will, to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend.
Preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the United States. So help me, God.
It is done. God bless George Washington, President of the United States.